Today we're going to make a dark beat off from scratch inside of FL Studio, and I'm going to guide you through the whole process, so make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you can work with me and learn the most out of it. So let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. For these dark beats, minor harmonic scale is perfect. I feel like I automatically create a dark vibe with it, so I'm going to load up Contact and Ethereal Earth. Yeah, kind of like that. So I want to go notes that are this close together create a lot of tension, and let's just do an extra note right here. I like that. Let's open another instance of Contact. It's already sounding super dark in my opinion. Sounds like this are really nice on these moody and dark type of vibes because it creates some character to the melody. I'm just going to add this at the end. And then this one octave up. Let's add some reverb to the kalimba. Not a lot. What we can do is add kickstart to this as well. Some delay. I like this this preset 8 note and then eternal 8. Let's add some chorus to this. Another reverb. Whew. Let's add one more contact layer, also from Ethereal Earth. I like this one. Copy that over and let's see if we can create something unique. What we can do is make this shorter and then select everything and then just drag it over. And again. Add halftime to this. Let's add some glitches to this. I like that. Kickstart. That's crazy. Make sure everything is on tempo. I like that, bro. We'll probably pitch it down in a bit. So for the drums, you want to have some really smacking drums that just go crazy. You want to have a really punchy, dark 808. But if you need some drum sounds, I got you in the description. Alright, let's add the 808. Then go up to G and F sharp. I like that. Let's pitch it up. And right here, some rolls. might reverse this one, this bell. Let's add some halftime to this. Pitch it up. Oh, that's hard. Down. Whoa, hold up. That's like a different pitch. I want to make a beat switch with this. That's crazy. See, like accidents like this is just perfect. Hey. Of course, the 808s needs to be in key. Woo. Right here, sliding notes. We're doing a lot with the 808. That's hard. An extra note right here to Doug. Shit. And then for the second part, we'll add a kick in there. Beat is super simple. Take out the second kick right here. Like this. Just adding some more perks and sound effects in there. I love the beats. Yeah, shit. I got shit. I got 1 million questions for you, baby. I got 1 million questions for you. Yeah. Is it strap? Is it Is it Is it pack? Is it Wrap it up. And the nut and the coat and the back. Is it center? Fade up in the back. I said, run it down, run it again, run it now. I done done this on the shooters, they be running out. I got shooters in the back, they be running out. I got dealers in the back. Those on my switches in the back. I got all the hunters in the back. They be all my switches in the shit. Yeah, I can never trust her, she a rat. Hey, oh my days, imagine NARDO WICK on this one. Whew. I need to catch a breath from this beat, bro. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. I mean, a super fire beat. I love how it turned out. This tutorial showed you how to make like a dark beat from scratch, all inside of FL Studio. I can definitely hear like Lil Baby and NARDO WICK on this, just going crazy, just spitting. Other than that, make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkanaBeats. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.